So people are saying crypto is crashing, and I'm not up to keen of that idea, and I don't think it's crashing. I don't think it's crashing at this point. People are still saying it's crashing. People are still saying it's doing terrible, and I think complete opposite. But let's see what we have in store today with more crypto news. If you want to be kept up to date, crypto is not crashing. But hey, I want to show it to you. I want to show if we're right or not. I think that's the big difference right now. So if you want to be kept up to date with more news, smash that like button.
Question as to why crypto just dumped again. Why is the market...
Like, it didn't dump. It's a small correction, but I understand a lot of YouTubers, they're saying it crashed, you know. I don't think it crashed at all.
Down again. What is going on and what can we expect? That's what we're going to be discussing in today's video. And I did just open up another position because maybe there's an opportunity here. With that said, of course, nothing in my videos is ever financial advice. And one thing I found in the news, because I am trying to figure out what is going on, right? Here's everything we need to know about the Fed is expected to do on Wednesday.
So yeah, I guess the Fed meeting is historically like can actually crash cryptos, but I don't think there's gonna be that bad of a news. Like the Fed meeting could even boost stocks up. People are saying stocks are gonna go down. Traders in the Fed funds futures spaces are pricing rate decreases to start in May 2024 and continue through the year. Strategists and economists on the Wall Street are more cautious, see a more cautious approach. So you can't really predict what's gonna happen in these spaces, but I do think this is why people are selling a bit of their crypto right now, because they're definitely afraid for that point. They definitely aren't too sure on the idea of what's going to be happening to crypto. I definitely do think crypto is just getting started in that sense. It's just getting started. And regardless of what news we get, it could be either way. Like, even if the Fed says, oh, it's going to be bad, you know, I don't think it's going to make that much big of a difference. But I'll keep you guys updated with more news on that. Pretty much spot on.
Wednesday. So there will be a meeting with the Fed tomorrow if you're in America, or today if you're anywhere else, basically. What is likely to occur in the Fed session wraps up on Wednesday is a policy turn away from aggressive rate hikes towards plans for what happens next. The Fed will update its projections on economic growth, inflation, and unemployment. Chair Jerome Powell also will deliver his usual post-meeting news conference. That doesn't sound too bad to me.
To me neither. Like, I don't think this is going to crash the crypto markets as people are predicting. People are saying that this is going to absolutely destroy everything that we know right now in crypto. And I don't agree with this one. I do think crypto could be actually recovering in the near future in that sense.
On top of that, we also do have Elizabeth Warren going after crypto again to ban it.
Now, this is what people were probably selling for. People think, you know, if there was a resolution to protect crypto, this was like probably a sign to sell your crypto. It could be just anything. It could be to protect scammers, to catch scammers in the US. We didn't really know what the papers were going to be, but yet, you know, here we are, and that's what happened. The crash happened, and people... There's like whale saying people have, that whales have, like, buy the news, sell the crypto or something like that. So 1.5 still haven't been mined. 4 million Bitcoins are probably lost forever, and only 2 million are available on exchanges. And this is why the exchanges are buying.
And only 2 million are available on exchanges. Each millionaire can only buy 0.1 Bitcoin if they acquire it off exchanges. It's person vs. person. This is big, guys. If you actually...
This is in fact big. It is in fact big, and I think a lot of people are excited about that.
Think about that.
It's player versus player market. Whoever survives gets to pick the final cryptos. in that sense, and they're definitely excited.
Every millionaire buying 0.1 Bitcoin would only be 4.5K is basically...
And I think institutions are already doing it, because institutions will probably need one-to-one backing. So if someone buys cryptos, they'll probably say like, hey, what the heck, if I buy an ETF, I want that you hold the Bitcoin for me. And they're buying it ahead of time because they know crypto is going to go up. They're not going to buy it when Bitcoin is 100K. They're going to get like this, ETF sells for half off so they can profit half that money, if I understand correctly. That would be an awesome strategy, actually. Like, we already have Bitcoin from before, so we can sell these ETFs. Of course, you know, when they sell ETFs, maybe the institutions are buying from before, you know, getting ready on holding that crypto, getting ready to hold those stocks, just like Robinhood owns like lots of stocks, actually. I think this goes really a long way in that sense. But if you guys want more content like this, I do think this is just the beginning, and smash that like button.